welcome back. Today we're going to attach everything on the right side of the engine. Now, when you say the right side, it's from the driver's perspective. So if you're driving the car sitting behind the wheel, what's on your right is the right side. My buddy Morty made me these cool gaskets, and they're in this box. But I ran out. Empty. They're made out of this like graphite, but they're kind of crumbly, so once you leave them on, you can't take them off and reuse them really. These are metallic and reusable, and they work really good. Starters right there. That's why I put all this heat shield tape on electrical connections, because this gets really hot. Oh look, I get to put the alternator on again. So with the new clutch going in, the clutch lever adjustment might be a little funny, so I have to check and see that it actually works. So this is a secret power move. So what you do is, I'm gonna reach through here. Okay, I'm stepping on the clutch and I'm gonna reach back here. Look, the wheel turns. Now when I let up, it stops. These are really cool parts. This is maybe the neatest thing. It pushes down on the header a little further down than it pushes down on the intake manifold. So it holds both pieces in place evenly at different heights. We have to attach the exhaust pipe to the header. Forgot, I had to do this first. There's a lot of vibration already in this car. Did I get dirt on me? This is basically the Bible for this car. No offense. People, it's not the real Bible, but this book, this is the Necronomicon for the Triumph TR3. Yep, that's it. Okay, I've got the carburetors in, intake manifolds, gasket is on there, I've got the headers tightened up, everything's tight. The fuel, where it goes into the float chambers, those clamps are tight. And everything on this side of the engine is done. Nice seeing you.